Hey guys, welcome back to Naughty Threads. In case you are here on my channel for the first time, do subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So today I'm working a crochet design on the sari, which is double color. This is the base and this is the pallu color. So I'm going to use the body color as my first color to keep it contrast, and the right side of the pallu is facing towards me. Along with the 6 strands of silk thread, I am using my crochet hook number 10. So the first line is very simple. I will be adding beads in the very first line. So I'm going to fix the knot here and then work 4 chains. Just check where it reaches and then fix it using a single crochet. And I'm going to repeat the same thing one more time. 4 chains and a single crochet. After this, I will be adding beads. I'm using 2 different types of beads for this design. So one is our regular ring bead and another small bead which actually fits into the ring bead. So I've added this on my hook and I'm going to push them in the loop. After which I will lock it with a chain stitch and then see where it reaches and again work a single crochet to fix it. So in the beginning here I have worked 2 blocks of 4 chains. Now I will be working 3 blocks before I add my next set of beads. So this is 1. 2 and 3. This center block is for the tassel. So this is how the baseline will continue. We will add this bead again here and then work 3 blocks of 4 chains. So you will have to make sure you place these 2 beads with the hole aligned in one line. And then insert it in the hook like this. So each time you'll have to lock it and then work a single crochet. So again I'll continue working 4 chains 3 times. So this is how the baseline will continue. After working the baseline in the first color, I have trimmed it and I have added my second color because this is going to be the final step. So I've attached it here and I'm going to pull my first loop from this single crochet, and on this I'm just going to work 4 chains and single crochet inside the single crochet because this is where we will be adding our tassel. So in this block that is next to the ring, I'll be working 3 single crochets and then directly into this ring I'll work double crochets. So after 7 double crochets, I'm going to add one small bead in between and then continue with 7 on this side. So this is how it looks after working the double crochets. So here in this block again I will continue with 3 single crochets, single crochet inside the single crochet, and for the tassel I am working 4 chains, again single crochet into the single crochet and 3 single crochets before I start working my arch. So what we are seeing right now is the wrong side and this is the right side. This is how it looks in the right side. So once we add tassel here, it looks nice. You can also add crystal if you wish instead of this flat bead, but adding a flat bead kind of looks very pretty. So after the single crochets, I'm going to start working my next arch. So you will have to work this part very carefully, because at this stage if the ring bead breaks, then you will have to probably rip open everything and redo it. So do not apply too much pressure, and it's very important to choose the small bead. If this bead is slightly bigger and it is occupying lot of space, then there will be no room for the needle to go in and come out. So it's very important how you choose this small bead. So I finished my 6 doubles here. This is my 7th one, after which I will be adding a bead. Then I'll continue with 7 more doubles on the other side. And then 3 singles here, single on single, and 4 chains for the tassel. After the crochet part, I have added tassels here. I have used both the colors in the tassels because I had already used a lot of this color, the pallu color. So that is the reason I thought of alternating it. So this is how it looks. It's an extremely easy design, and in case if you have just started doing crochet, then you guys can definitely try this, and I'm sure it gets done within 2 hours. So do let me know in the comment section what you think about this design, and if you have any requests, do WhatsApp me the pictures and I'll try to shoot videos on that. In case you guys have not subscribed to my vlog channel Kanika Reddy Vlogs, do subscribe now, and also check out my blog naughtythreads.net. If you want any kuchu material, any material related to the videos I post, you can check them out on naughtythreads.com. And yeah, I guess that's all in today's video. I shall see you guys soon with more interesting stuff. Until then, take care.